vinegar to preserve food. It is an important ingredient of baking powder. Also, it is used as a disinfectant and cleaning agent for household purposes. In industries also, it acts as an important substrate in preparation of organic compounds. We generally call acetate containing iron acid, acetic acid as vinegar with the formula CH3COOH. Material required during identification of acetate ion in a given salt are: first, apparatus required: microtest tube holder, microtest tube rack, micro spatula, watch glass rod and spirit lamp. Reagents required include dilute sulfuric acid and neutral ferric chloride. Preliminary examination of acetate ion. In order to identify the presence of acetate ion in a given salt, we generally take a watch glass. To it, we take small amount of salt containing acetate ion and add distilled water. When we add 2-3 drops of sulfuric acid to it, colorless gas releases, which has got smell like vinegar, and it can be identified using a glass rod dipped in the given solution. This represents us that acetate ion may be present. In order to confirm the presence of acetate ion, we perform neutral ferric chloride test, in which, in a given microtest tube, when we take 2-3 drops of aqueous solution of the salt and add neutral ferric chloride solution to it, the solution color turns to deep red, which on heating gives us precipitates of brown red color. For detection of the iron present in the salt, we will take small amount of salt in the watch glass. To it, we will add small amount of distilled water. And now we will add 2-3 drops of dilute sulfuric acid. If you will smell the given salt, you can sense the smell of vinegar, which shows that it may contain the acetate ion. Now we will perform the test in order to confirm whether the given salt contains the acetate ion or not. For that, firstly we will prepare the aqueous solution of the salt. We will shake it to prepare aqueous solution. Now we will add the neutral ferric chloride to it. You can see the change in the color. Now we will heat this solution. You can see the change in the color. The red color on heating has changed to brown red PPTs. This confirms the presence of acetate ion, as here the ferric ion react with acetic acid to form a complex with brown red coloration. The reaction involved during acetate ion conformation and preliminary examination are as follows. The acetate ion containing salt, when react with sulfuric acid, produces acetic acid vapors which has got smell like vinegar. In order to confirm the presence of acetate ion, when we treat the acetate ion containing salt with neutral ferric chloride, there occur formation of a complex which on further heating leads to reddish brown precipitation and thus confirms us the presence of acetate ion. Inference. During the acetate ion test, we infer the gas evolved during preliminary test is containing acetic acid vapor which has vinegar-like smell. When we perform the confirmatory test for detection of acetate ion with neutral ferric chloride test, there occur formation of an iron acetate complex with chemical name iron 3-dihydroxy acetate, which precipitate with color reddish brown, and this confirms us the presence of acetate ion in the given salt. Thank you.